All right, welcome, everyone. The 24th of May, Friday, and gold is just consolidating now. So yesterday I didn't take any trades in the New York session, so called it a day yesterday. Yesterday was $68 day, pretty good. Account at 6,500. Aiming to see if I can over leverage and over risk today to get it to 7,000. Just joking. Don't take it seriously. All right, let's take a look on the daily time frame. Wow. So daily has been running down. We had clean candles. We ran down on daily. Let's remove all these analyses and let's do fresh analysis here. So we remove all of these and then we're going to start to do some fresh analysis. Okay, now daily is coming down. If you look closely here to the left hand side, we have closed below 23.34 and there's a range here, 23.07 for price to come into. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, we have been trending down. We had this area to the left hand side. We had a support. We're tapping into this area. And so far, this is an area of interest where price can potentially come into. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame now. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have some more information. We have obviously a resistance formed on the 1 hour time frame. We obviously also have some sort of a support formed on the 1 hour time frame. Now we're going to take a look at this in more detail on the 30 minute. Looking at the 30 minute, we can see that there is a support down here, and we're basically in the range at this point now. If you measure this range, this is a 97. It's like a 100 pip range. If it's a 100 pip range, there's one thing you need to realize is that when you have this big of a range, don't try to take a trade within the range. It's better to take a trade, let's say, from the support of the range. If you form some sort of a support, that's going to be much better, because then your chances of getting a move for price to continue pushing up or pushing down is much higher. Pushing up. And also, if you're looking for a sell within this range, wait for price to come up to resistance, create some resistance, provided there's clean range to the left hand side, and take a sell, because then you have this 100 pip range, and your chances of getting 25, 30 pips here is much higher. But if you don't want to trade in a range, and you want to wait for price to break above 23.36, then you got clean range here to the left hand side, 100 pips going all the way till 23.46. And on the other side, if you break below 23.25, you have this 150 pip range. But let's take a look to the left hand side. Let's see what else we got here to the left hand side, right? Let's take a look at this. So moving left. Okay, there we go. Now we have some more information. So maybe this area is of some interest on the 30 minute. How big is this? 85, 88 pips. Not bad. It's pretty good, So if you do break below 23.26, you have a pretty decent range for price to move down. I know some people are looking at to see if they can take a sell down over here. This is 24 pips. I'd rather wait for volume till pre-London volume to kick in before making any decisions, because also it's a Friday. And on Friday, what do? We do not make any risky decisions. All right, let's take a look on the pound yen over here. All right, looking at pound yen daily time frame, we're just consolidating now on pound yen here. Oh, no, the fuck. Is it recording? Okay, it's recording. Okay, pressed the wrong button accidentally. All right, let's do some fresh analysis on pound yen here. Okay, so daily is basically losing momentum, I'd say, for moving up, because the candle is now printing like a bearish candle here. So we don't know whether this daily candle is going to continue pushing down or we're going to continue pushing up. If we do continue pushing down, we need to see some resistance form on the 4 hour, 1 hour, and opposite for to push down. To push up. But looking at the 4 hour, it's very clear we are creating a resistance. Very, very clear. And also, we are consolidating here. As you can see, the 4 hour candles are printing side by side. Just a mess, man. This chart here, pound yen, it gives me anxiety here because it's not clean. It's not clear. It's just garbage. I mean, if you compare this to gold, this is just shit show. I don't like it, you know. And when I don't like something, I don't even want to look at it. Like, oh, it's so sad. Like, look, 17, 18. Like, what are you gonna get out of 17, 18 pip range? What do you like? Come on, you know. I mean, if you really want to force a trade on pound yen, I guess the best way to force a trade on pound yen is probably going to be, you know, a fucking break above 199, 440 in this 29 pip range. Yeah, that's going to be something better. You know, on the 30 minute, there's this impulse entry, but like, you know, it's 13, 14 pips till this wick. It's a 14 pip to this wick, 1 pip spread. You got like a 12, 13 pip range. What are you going to try to get out of 12, 13 pip range? 5 pips might not trade at all. You know, might just say, all right, I'm no longer going to trade. If you are a professional trader and you are trading pound yen, you would look at this and say, yeah, no, I'm going to change my career paths because this makes no sense at all. I mean, all right, so let's take a look at this over here. Looking at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, it's just a mess. I don't know. It's just a mess. Like looking at gold is way better. You know, clean range, big ranges. Pound yen, it's just, man, tough. Like we had this move yesterday, but you know, I think the volume is coming later on in pound yen. Also, I guess we're gonna wait for pre-London London Open for pound yen, and then we'll see what happens. So, all right, everyone, take care. And yeah, I don't think there's gonna be a live stream today, but we're gonna have a simulation session on Sunday. We'll make an event for that as well.